Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can change your crosshair in Roblox Bedwars. For that you need a crosshair maker. You can simply search crosshair maker in your web browser and you can open any one of these. We're going to go with the link on the top, that being Kovacs crosshair generator. So once we press on this, you can see this crosshair and you can make specifications to it as you want to. You can also check it from light and concrete to view it better. You can shape it differently as well. You can see these are all the shapes that you can use. You can change its width, spacing, you can change its length, you can even rotate it. Now from here you can change its stroke as well. As you can see that black outline, and you can change the color of that black outline as well. For example, you can make it red. Now next, as you can see, you can make even more changes to this, and you can also change its fill color, which will change its white color. So for example, I've changed the fill color and now the fill color is black. So as you can see, I've edited this crosshair, and now what you're going to do is you're going to download the crosshair PNG. So once you've edited your crosshair just as you want it, by using all of these settings I've shown you, you'll go on download crosshair PNG and you're going to download the crosshair in your laptop. Now that we've installed the crosshair that we want to use, we're going to go on Roblox Player. We're going to double click on Roblox Player, and once you do that, you're going to go on Open File Location. Now once you press Open File Location, this is what you're going to see. So what you're going to do now is you're going to just go up. You're going to go up and you're going to press on Content. You're going to press on Content, and from here you're going to press on Textures. Now you're just going to scroll down for a bit and you're going to see this option where it says mouse locked cursor. Now this is what you're going to use. What you're going to do is you're going to copy it. You're basically going to copy the exact name of the file. So you can just go on rename and then you can copy this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go on downloads where you downloaded the file. And as you can see, you've downloaded it right here. It's Kovacs Crosshair. You're going to double click this, and now you're going to rename this. You're going to rename Kovacs Crosshair to the exact name that was the mouse. You're going to paste it, mouse locked cursor, and you're going to enter it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to replace the file. You're going to add this file in that Roblox file and you're going to replace it. So what you're going to do now is pretty simple. What you're going to do is you're going to just copy, you're going to drag this by double clicking it. You're going to drag this and you're going to paste it right here where your mouse locked cursor was first. Now you'll see this, and you're going to replace the file in the destination instead of skipping or compare info. You're going to press on replace the file. This would mean that you'll have your new crosshair mouse locked cursor over here and the old one would be replaced. So you'll just press on this. You'll just wait for this to complete, and now you can see that's gone and the new mouse locked cursor has been added here. So now that you've added it here, what you're going to do is this is your new mouse locked cursor. Now you're simply just going to copy this. Now once you do that, you'll go up here, and what you're going to do is you're going to open cursors. Now here you can see drag detector, gamepad, and keyboard and mouse. Now you'll select what you use. For example, let's go on keyboard and mouse. Now here you can see arrow cursor, arrow far cursor, and I-beam cursor. Now what we need to do is we need to replace all three of these with our mouse locked cursor that we just made. So what we're going to do now is we're going to simply just paste. And as you can see, this is the cursor that we made. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create two other copies, but we're not going to do this right now. First of all, we're going to copy I-beam cursor. Now we basically need to replace this by name so we can basically delete it. So as you can see, we'll do the same thing, rename, and we're going to press on copy. Now once we do that, we're going to go over here. We're going to go on rename. We're going to take this out and we're going to rename it with what we just pasted. Now here we'll just do this. Now what we need to do is we're going to just delete I-beam cursor, and now we're just going to fix this. So it replicates what we wrote. As you can see, it replicates what we wrote. Now we need to do the same with arrow far cursor and arrow cursor. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this again, and what we're going to do after copying it, we're just going to paste it, and you can see this has made a copy. So we're going to do the same steps again, where we rename this to arrow far cursor, and after we're done with that, this would be replaced, and then we would do the same with arrow cursor. We will copy this once again, and after that we will copy the arrow cursor name, we will rename this, and then we will delete arrow cursor until all three of these have been replaced using the same step that we did before. Now, as you can see, we've replaced all three of these. As you can see, this is our new crosshair that we made, and we've edited the names in the steps that I showed you before.
Now, if you followed the steps correctly, you should see your new crosshair. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.